Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Ariana Grande's iconic ponytail on Dress to Impress. So first, we are going to add this hair here in the Only Bangs toggle. I'm just going to use these colors, I guess. You can use any color that you want. Just adjust it. So we're going to position the X to 0.53, the Y to 0.51. Oops. And then the Z to just 0.47. Scale it to 0.39. Then we're going to need this updo here. If I can just find it, this one. I'm just going to color it this color. Position the Z to 0.55. Rotate the X to 0.33. And we're going to scale it to 0.44. Then we're going to go to the straight hair section. We're going to grab this, and I'm just going to color it kind of the same-ish here. Okay, we're going to position the Z to 0.55, rotate, the Z to 0.72, the Y to, the Y is 0.72, my bad, and then the Z is at 0.69, and then we are going to rotate the X to 0.68. Then you're going to scale it to 0.27. Then we're going to go to updo again, and we're going to grab this hair here, that color, and then go to bangs and grab this in kind of same color in the higher toggle, and that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't mind it from the back. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!